All right, I'm going to review this gaming chair. When it first comes to you, it comes in lots of different pieces, so it does take some assembly. It does come with this Allen wrench tool, but I suggest getting a drill, and as long as you have the right drill bit size, which is this one right here, it's going to go a lot faster with a drill. First, you're going to attach all these to this base part here. Get them all started by hand, and then screw them down with a drill. Next, you're going to flip this over and then put in this base along with a protector for it. Actually, it looks like that protector came pre-installed on mine. That's just going to sit in there like that. We can also slide the wheels in right now. They just go each on the bottom edge, corner, whatever you want to call it, of each of these legs. Some of them do take a little bit of force to get in there. Next, you attach this plate here to the bottom of this, the back of this, backrest. And it's going to go on just like this. So there's this kind of a hollow spot here, and that's going to go. That's the top side. We're going to lift this Velcro strap up, and there are 4 corresponding screw holes that line up to 4 screw holes right there as well. And once again, get those screws started by hand, and then use your drill to tighten them up. Or use that Allen wrench they give you. Okay, then you can fold that Velcro back down there. That'll hide all that mechanism. Next comes the seat part, and this is the front part of the seat part. And we're going to attach this bottom piece with the levers on it to adjust your height and lock, it looks like. We're going to attach that right here, I believe. But we need to turn it this way, because here's where the screws go, right there. And also 2 in here, right here. Once again, start them by hand, but then finish them up with your drill. Make sure everything's sufficiently tight so that things don't just fall apart on you. All right, but they don't have to be crazy tight either. Next comes these pieces here, which I'm not sure what they are quite just yet, but they go there and there. Once again, always start them by hand and then tighten them up with your drill or with your provided Allen wrench tool. Then this piece here is going to slide into these holes right here. And one small screw is going to attach it here to keep it from coming out. And then this piece here is going to attach on the bottom side right here. So I'll do that right now. This little screw here is what goes in this edge here. And then this goes down here like this. Next, you're going to drop the seat on this hole here onto the base there. All right, and now I see this piece here actually is additional rest for your legs. So you could have that out like that or in so that it's hidden. Next, we attach the bottom of the backrest to the back of the chair. And actually, this piece slides into this piece here, making it a lot easier to line up your screws since everything is kind of heavy at this point. And actually, yeah, for that step, it definitely is helpful if you have an extra set of hands. That way it's a lot easier to get all those screws lined up just right. Then you're going to attach the armrests to each side. There's 2 screws for each side. This one here on this pivot joint is going to go right there, on that one there, and then this one here is going to go right there. So you're just going to line them up and then screw them on. And since those screw holes are so deep, I'm actually going to use this manual one here so I don't lose my bit inside there. After that, just put the pillows on. This one here actually just has a little, what is that called? A little clasp that's going to go inside and around this middle part right here at the top. And then this one is going to sit at the bottom and it comes on some straps here. I'll have to see how to put that on there in a second. And then for this piece here, there are these clasps on each side, and you're going to unclasp it. This part is going to go under the seat, and this part's going to go visibly over the seat on each side. Let me show you how that works. And that's it. Here is the completed chair. Nice looking gaming chair. It's got good cushions, firm yet soft, lumbar support, headrest pillow. Yeah, rolls around real good. Swivels. Has your lift. Looks like a lock. So yeah, that lock thing actually lets you to unlock the tilt of the chair. And I just sat in it, rolled around in it, and yeah, it's comfy. You can adjust the tilt on it and then lock it into the position you want. Seems like a good gaming chair. I like it.